All right, let's talk about how you can actually make money with AI. Here's an honest plan. First step, there's a surprising truth about AI that you really need to hear. See, AI itself doesn't make money. People do. AI just makes them way faster. So think of AI as a tool, not a business. Kind of like the internet back in '99. So how are people using this tool? Well, here are 5 real ways for beginnings to earn. And what's really cool is there's something here for pretty much everyone, no matter your skills. First, freelancing. Imagine whipping up 10 social media posts for a local coffee shop. Easy. Or how about digital products? You could create an ebook once and sell it over and over. Then there's content creation. Think writing a whole YouTube script in minutes, not hours. Seriously. You could also try affiliate marketing. Just recommend the AI tools you already use and love. And finally, automation services. Help small businesses save time by setting up AI tools for them. Okay, so where do you start? Here's a simple, realistic 90-day plan to get going. Now, this isn't about getting rich overnight. It's all about making real, steady progress. But out of all this, there's one lesson that is the most powerful. You gotta get this. It's called skill multiplication. AI doesn't replace you, it just makes you way better and faster. Look, the people who are winning with AI right now, they're the ones just doing it. It really all boils down to a super simple formula for how work works now. It's your skills plus AI tools. That's what creates totally new opportunities. Simple as that. So the real question for you is, what skill are you going to choose to multiply?